Okay, in this short presentation, what I want to do is walk you through some of the requirements for the field observations um, for EDF 2085, Diversity for Educators. So the field observations, they are there to serve as the foundations for you becoming a teacher. You're going to visit and record observations from time that you've spent in real classrooms throughout the school system. During each classroom visit, you will be assigned a specific task or you'll have stuff to look for that the instructor has provided for you in the assignment. Some of the requirements are you have to have 15 hours per course. You should do these 15 hours in at least 5 different classrooms. You're looking for a variety of comprehensive learning experiences, so different classrooms, visiting elementary, middle, and high schools. Also, if you can get into an ESE classroom or a classroom where there's ELL or ESOL students, gifted students, AP students, just so you can see a variety of different types of students that the schools serve. So, how to get started? Very important you do this very early on. Complete the background check. This is the process where the district will give you information on the background check. Cleared through the background check, you'll be able to conduct your observations. Email me a copy of your observation badge. So when they give you a badge or they give you verification that you're good to go, you can send me an email. You're going to want to get the observation forms. Those can actually be found in Canvas. Now they are in Canvas. They'll be in each assignment. Those forms are based on what you will fill out during your observations. Then you'll use the contact list, which is provided inside of Canvas as well, to make calls to the schools. When you're contacting schools, call at least 48 hours in advance. Don't try to call the day you're trying to do an observation and show up. They need time to plan and to get that situated. Explain that you're a Gulf Coast State College student conducting field observations. Set up an appointment time. Keep your appointment, please. If you make an appointment, make sure that you're there on time. The contact document again is inside of your Canvas course and can be found on your assignment list and also in the files folder in Canvas. Keep in mind that you may be dealing with a potential employer, somebody that provides an interview for you down the road, so please act and dress accordingly. The procedures for arrival at the school. Be prepared with some items. You'll need your badge for sure that they give you or they provide you, an observation form from the course, a list of things that you'll need to complete, or a list of tasks. Again, that'll be provided on each assignment. Make sure you bring some extra pencil, pens, and paper so that you have some notes or more places where you can take your notes. Sign in at the front office before heading into the classroom. That's a must. And then be sure when you leave, you get your form stamped by the front office there and your form signed by the teacher. In the classroom, pay attention on the assignment in Canvas for different items the instructor would like you to look for. So on one assignment, it may say that they'd like you to observe the classroom management of the teacher or of the classroom. It may ask you to look at the physical setup of the classroom, things like that. So bring your observation form. Be prepared to take notes while being unobtrusive. You should just blend in with the class setting. Be sure to take thorough notes on the observation form. And as a reminder, make sure the teacher signs that form. So after the observation, you'll go up to the front office and get your form stamped. Complete that assigned task or complete the assigned task for the observation and submit it in the Dropbox. That's just the assignment in Canvas. Once you upload and you've turned in that signed and stamped observation form, you should be complete on that particular assignment. Your instructor can email you or will email you with information about you keeping files for your own record. The reminders for the observations. You must complete 15 hours in at least 5 different classrooms. Go to a variety of classrooms. Complete your observations assignments and submit them in Canvas. So that probably could be like taking a picture and scanning it. If you're typing your observations up, that's fine too, or your notes up, that's fine too. Regardless, it needs to be submitted in Canvas. Observation hours may not be shared with other education classes. So if you're taking Intro to Ed and you're taking this diversity course, that means you would have a total of 30 hours that you would have to complete. You cannot share the 15 hours between the two classes. So you must observe. That is just a requirement of this course. You know that up front. Working in a classroom may not count towards observation hours. You need to observe, sitting in the classroom and observing what's going on. So just some of the summaries of the requirements. Again, you need 15 total hours. Those 15 hours cannot be from the same course. You should do your best to see a variety of classrooms. You will submit 5 different assignments making up your 15 hours. This is really important for you to understand. So for each field observation assignment in our course, you'll turn in and summarize 3 total hours. So you'll have 5 total submissions, each representing 3 hours of observation time. That will give you your 15 required hours. If you observe one day for 6 hours, then you've basically completed 2 assignments, 2 of the 5 that are required. It needs to be in 3-hour increments on those assignments so that when I'm tallying the grade and providing a grade, you'll receive 5 different grades for the observation journal. One assignment, one journal is worth 3 hours, so provide that summary there. Should you have any questions or any concerns, please don't hesitate to contact me. I will do the best I can to help you out. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.